This is me, Umama Noor, and I'm here with my group members, Aga Mohammed Ansar, Sadia Sudin, Prithyaksha, and Umama Noor. I'm here with my group members to presenting our business plan. And first, I'm giving you an introduction of our business. Next, basically our business.
Continue.
Basically, our business is related to transport service, and we will provide pick and drop facility for college students girls. Because there are many student girls who face problems or difficulties related to picking and dropping facility, and they want our full security and safety. Or in college life, because this is the age where your career, where their careers are start, and girls they do hesitate because the students are not much familiar about the routes and areas as compared to boys. Use of technology, GPS and tracking system. The technology we are going to use in our service is GPS and tracking system. Basically, these two systems will be active on van, and GPS used for addressing the location of your objective, like our van. And tracking system will use the tracker in order to control the van's direction. Or geographically, we will cover the area of Jamshorud, Hyderabad, Kasmabad, because best schools are in Kasmabad, and our targeted schools are Bristol, Education, and Superior. The route we will cover from Hyderabad to Jamshore, because this is the large distance and most of the students face difficulties and the lack of the good transport facility. Okay, self-investment based on partnership. Self-investment based on partnership. We will invest in our business through saving, like no loans from any bank. This business will start with partnership, and there are 4 partners in our business, and each partner share equally in our business. Description of the business is that our business includes and service contributes 61.52% in the economy of country, and our competitors are university points and local transports. According to our survey and observation, there is no any private facility for college student girls, especially in Jamshore. Niche market, basically, our niche market is high income family, and there is no religion barrier between families or students. Security and safety, because we are providing standard quality best service. So in the van we will provide air conditions fan for students and GPS and tracking system. For their security and safety, we will use as I told you about the GPS and tracking system. Thank you.
Let's start from IT manager. The person who manages our IT system, which includes GPS and tracking system. Then comes marketing manager, who are responsible for the marketing activities. After marketing manager comes administrator, who oversees all the administration activities. And after administrator, finance manager, then who will see all the financial activities. Then there is our van logo. There is a picture of a van, and the black bars shows the speed of our van. Next, there is a canvas model. There is a partnership business, and we are 4 partners. After partners, there is a box which tells about our key activities. Our key activities that we will provide pick and drop service, we will use GPS and tracker facility, and we provide luxurious service to the students. Then how we proposed value among our customers, how we provide value to our customers. We will provide value to our customers by providing them standard quality service, the usage of GPS and tracker system. So how we build up our customer relationship. We build up a strong relationship with our customers by providing them satisfaction. Now the box of channel tells us about how we advertise our business. We advertise our business through brochures and social media. After advertisement, the box of customer segmentation. How we segment our customers. We target to high income families, means we use niche marketing to target our customers. After customer segmentation, there is a box which tells us about key resources. So our key resources in our business, that is capital, mobile application, GPS and tracker system. Capital, that we will use in the form of cash and building. Mobile application that the students use to register themselves to use our service, and GPS and tracker system for the security and safety of the students. Then comes cost structure. Cost structure defines as the cost and expenses that occur in our business. There's a marketing cost that will use to market our business, and salary expense that incurred in the form of salary that we will give to our driver and the office man. The fuel and maintenance charges of rent that will occur to operate our business. Then the box of revenue that tells us about how we generate our revenue. So we will generate our revenue by providing service.
So website preview actually defines our motivate our customer that how we are providing our service. Through website they can visit and get knowledge about our service, and there are the registration forms and other things in our office that they can have from our website. The next one is marketing strategy. So the marketing strategy is that the social media and through brochures. Social media including all apps, that how we are differentiating our service from others. And brochures, that means on the footpath, people walking and going here and there, we will provide brochures to them. This is the marketing strategy of our business. Now here comes the business process, how our business is running, how we are proceeding our business. So let's start our van service from Jamshedpur to Hyderabad, as Hyderabad is commercialized area. Students get difficulty to reach to Hyderabad. The next is that people start knowing about service through advertisement. That means how we will commercialize our service, how we will advertise our service. So through different advertisement modes, we will know or we will aware our people. The next term, people or student will start take our service. Why they will take our service? Because obviously we are providing them good service with proper security and safety. So student will motivated to come in our service. The next one is that we will take feedbacks, complaints from our customer. That means whatever the complaints we are receiving from customer or a student during traveling or according to security purpose or whatever the issue is, we will listen all the complaints and then we will bring improvement to our service and take action on their complaint. That means the next time we will not do that mistake, and students will have a comfortable journey towards their educational institutes.
Now here is the financial budget of our business. The total financial budget is a sample of 6 months of our financial budget. सबसे पहले मैं तो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन दे दूं इस बिजनेस के हवाले से आपको कि हमारा जो बिजनेस है बेसिकली रिगार्डिंग द वेन्यू ऑफ जामशोर है. जामशोरो आई थिंक पूरे पाकिस्तान में या सिंध में ऐसी कोई सर्विस नहीं है जो कि स्टूडेंट्स को हमें जीपीएस सिस्टम और वैन प्रोवाइड करे, क्योंकि आजकल के दौर में आप देखें कि पेरेंट्स परेशान होते हैं, बच्चे परेशान होते हैं, हमारी पॉइंट किस टाइम आएगी, किस टाइम जाएगी. पेरेंट्स परेशान होते हैं, हमारे बच्चे अभी तक नहीं पहुंचे, कहाँ होंगे, क्यों नहीं पहुंचे. एंड वी आर गिविंग द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ ऑल दैट क्वेश्चन एंड द पॉइंट्स कि वालिदैन को परेशानी ना हो और बच्चों को परेशानी ना हो. इसलिए हम उनको टेक्नोलॉजी दे रहे हैं जीपीएस सिस्टम और ट्रैकिंग सिस्टम की, ताकि बच्चे भी परेशान ना हो और उनके वालिदैन भी परेशान ना हो. मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन के थ्रू वो हर पल हर लम्हा अपने बच्चे की या अपनी पॉइंट की लोकेशन चेक कर सकते हैं कि हमारा बच्चा कहाँ पे है या हमारी पॉइंट किस टाइम आएगी, किस टाइम नहीं आएगी, कहाँ पहुँची है. ये सारा कुछ इस सर्विस में है. इंशाल्लाह बहुत ही जल्द ये جب ہم شروع میں لانچ ہوگی اس کے بعد یہ اسٹارٹ ہوگی آفٹر دا لاک ڈاؤن انشاءاللہ. اینڈ دس از اے ویب سائٹ آف آور بزنس. آپ یہاں پہ آ سکتے ہیں, ہمارے بزنس کے بارے میں سارا کچھ دیکھ سکتے ہیں. اور ہیئر از اے رجسٹریشن فارم. آپ اس رجسٹریشن فارم کے تھرو اپنی رجسٹریشن کروا سکتے ہیں. اس کے بعد آپ کے بچوں کو پک اینڈ ڈراپ سروس دی جائے گی فرام ڈور ٹو ڈور. This is a process of our business. Here is a totally detailed explanation of the Khan Mover services. And this is a total financial budget of 6 months. This is simple, but the total investment in this business is 20 lakhs. And we are the 4 partners in this business. Per partner are sharing 5 lakhs each. Here is the total revenue which comes from the students. The total students is 32. This is total expense in net income and revenue. After that, this is a income statement which is showing the summary of all the position of our business which we are investing in our business. And this is a graph which is representing the frequencies of our data from January to December. What is increasing and what is decreasing in the month of year. This is all about our business. Thank you for your precious time. If you have any queries and any question regarding this business, you can comment and you can ask with our partners through this link. Thank you very much.